Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to practice how to write the equation of a line, and we're going to be using something called the slope-intercept form. You've seen this form already in this unit as we've been graphing lines and talking about the slope of a line on a graph. The slope-intercept form is made up of m, which is the rise over run or the slope. It's also made up of b, which is the y-intercept, which is where the line touches the y-axis. And then it's also got an x and a y combo. Now that x and y combo represents an infinite amount of points that live on the line. So here's how we're going to work through problems when we are given a point and a slope. First, the coordinate points represent the x and the y in this equation. I'm going to label 4 the x and 1 the y. So we're going to put that x and y into the slope-intercept form. Also, the slope represents the m in the slope-intercept form. So in this problem, the 2 is the m. So we're going to plug all those things in. So for y equals mx plus b, we have a 1 for the y, a 2 for the m, a 4 for the x, and b is what we do not know. So step 3 says solve for b. Good thing we are great equation solvers. First, I'm going to multiply 2 and 4 together. 2 times 4 is 8. This is a one-step equation. To get rid of a plus 8, I will subtract. So my b value is -7. Finally, we just write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So we use the 2 for the m, and now the -7 for the b. So my final slope-intercept form is y equals 2x minus 7. I'm going to put x and y back into the final equation because remember that x and y represent every single point that lives on the line. This 4, 1 is just one point that lives on the line. Okay, let's do a second example. The point is x and y. The slope is m. In the pattern y equals mx plus b, we will put 4 where the y is, 1/2 where the m is, 2 where the x is, and we do not have a plug-in value for the y-intercept b. Half of 2 is 1. To solve for b, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. So I get 3 equals b. My final solution includes the slope of 1/2 and the y-intercept of 3. Y equals 1/2 x plus 3. We'll do one more example together so that you can have a rhythm here. Let's check out number 3. -6 is the x, 0 is the y, 2/3 is the m. In the pattern y equals mx plus b, I'll replace y with 0, m with 2/3, -6 in place of x, and we are solving for b. 2/3 times -6 is -4. To solve for b, I need to add 4 to both sides. b is now equal to 4. So when I write my final answer up, the equation of the line includes 2/3 for m and 4 for b. Y equals 2/3 x plus 4. Okay, happy studying. Try these other 3 example problems.